to focus to our only precious baby right now. Our firstborn baby. By the way, guys, for those who are new to our channel, uh, Arabella is our first baby born after 10 years of marriage. Yeah, God gave us this big blessing after 10 years of marriage. Actually, guys, my wife is already 42 years old. Yeah. And the way I look, yeah, I'm about to become a senior citizen. What do you think, guys? Yeah, yeah, that's why some says our baby R is a menopause baby. Uh, because my wife is already 42. And I am, guess, I don't know, you can